Hi guys, it's Arab the Plug and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we are going to be talking about the Forex market sessions. In this video, you will learn the best time to trade the Forex market, the most liquid times of the day in the Forex market, which days of the week should you trade the Forex market, and what pairs should you trade at some particular time during market sessions in the Forex market. So it is important for you as a trader to know each market session in the Forex market and how to navigate this session. What are Forex market sessions? Forex market sessions are all about the classification of the time of the day according to the different Forex trading hubs all across the world. We know that in the Forex market, there are major areas in the world or major places in the world where Forex is most traded by banks and other big financial institutions. Forex traders actually classify this Forex market session into some particular sessions according to the biggest trading hubs all across the world. And we have three major sessions in the Forex market. The first session is what we call the Tokyo session or the Asian session. The second one is the London session or the European session. And the third one is the New York session or the North American session. So let's talk about all these sessions one after the other. Tokyo session, also called the Asian session, is a session where liquidity is restored into the Forex market at the beginning of the Forex trading week. So Forex market, as we know, is a 24/5 market, which means the Forex market is open 24 hours per day, 5 days per week. Apparently, the Forex market opens on Monday or let's say Sunday night and closes every Friday. On Saturdays and Sundays, Forex markets are closed, and this is because Forex trading is based on the financial institution in the world, and whenever banks are opened all across the world, the Forex market is always open. Talking about the Tokyo session or the Asian session, this session opens 11 p.m. GMT and closes 9 a.m. GMT, which means this session opens when banks are open in Tokyo, which is the capital of Japan, and all other places, all other major trading hubs across Asia. This session is characterized by a low liquidity and also a lot of range bound trading. Apparently during Asian session, the market ranges a lot, which means the market might not go in a clear direction, whether it is an uptrend direction or in a downtrend direction. In the Tokyo or Asian session, I actually advise traders to trade USD JPY because JPY is actually the Japanese yen, which is the currency being used in Japan and some other trading hubs in the whole of Asia. So I actually trade USD JPY, Euro JPY, and AUD JPY. Those are the majority of the currency pairs that I trade during Tokyo session. Now let's talk about the London session. The London session, also called the European session, is the most liquid session in the Forex market. And this session opens 8 a.m. GMT and closes 5 p.m. GMT. So London session apparently opens 8 a.m. London time and it closes 5 p.m. London time. And you know, banks are open 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. in major places all across the world. So the London session is characterized by a very high liquidity and volatility. The market is liquid because the major financial hub all across Europe, in London, in Germany, in France, and other European countries are open in this session. So this is more like the best time to trade the Forex market because a lot of liquidity, a lot of money is coming into the Forex market this particular time. Most times in the London session, we have high liquidity trading and trend-driven trading, which means most of the trades that happen in the London session are trend trade, where you can enter a market when the market is going up in an uptrend, or when you can time your entry in the market when the market is going down in a downtrend. So majorly, we don't have a lot of range during the London session because the market is either going up or trying to move down in this session. Most of the currencies that are being traded a lot during the London session include Euro USD, because you know Euro is the major currency of Europe. GBP USD, which is the currency of the United Kingdom, and also USD Swiss franc, USD CHF. These are usually the most liquid currency pairs to trade during the London session. Now let's talk about the third trading session, which is the New York session or the North American session. This session is characterized by trading activities all across the United States of America, Canada, Mexico, and other North and South American countries. So this trading session opens 1 p.m. GMT and closes by 10 p.m. GMT. Majorly, it opens when the London session is already in activity during the day. More like it opens 1 p.m. like the Nigerian or GMT time, and it runs through the afternoon till late in the night. And that is the time when major trading hubs are open across the United States of America, Canada, Mexico, and other North American and South American countries. So this particular session is also one of the most liquid sessions, and let me say it is the most liquid session after the London session, and it is characterized by trending market or trend trading, where we have the market moving in a particular trend, whether uptrend or a downtrend, and it also has a very high liquidity. Most of the currency pairs that you can trade during this session include USD CAD and Euro USD. Apparently, you may wonder, why do we have Euro USD here and we still have Euro USD during the London session? And that is because the London session runs into the American session or the New York session, and you know, Euro USD is more like the most traded currency pair all across the world in the Forex market. So now let's talk about the overlapping of the Forex session. This session actually overlaps, which means one runs into another. I said earlier that the London session starts by 8 a.m. GMT and it runs till 5 p.m. GMT. While I said for the New York session, it starts by 1 p.m. GMT and runs to 10 p.m. GMT. So now, between 1 p.m. GMT, when the London session is still open, till 5 p.m. GMT, when the London session closes, there is an overlap between the London and the New York session, which means both sessions meets and overlaps during that particular hour, during those hours. And this is characterized by high liquidity, because during this session, the majority of the major trading hubs in Europe are open, while majority of the trading hubs in North America, the United States, and other countries are also open. So this time, there's a lot of money rushing into the market, and this is one of the best times to ever trade the Forex market. So if you're looking for the best time to trade the Forex market, it's actually when the London session and the New York session are overlapping. So during this time of overlapping, or during this session, there is an increased volume and increased volatility in the market, and you have more chances of making more money from your trades. You may want to ask, what are the best days of the week to trade? I usually advise you as a trader to trade between Tuesday and Thursday. And why is this? It's because on Monday, markets are just getting to open. But you know, the foreign market is closed for the weekend, and the market opened Sunday night to Monday morning. So now on Monday, the market are just opening and major trading hubs are just starting to get along with the market. So there is we usually have a very high liquidity in the market on Mondays. So I actually advise you to trade on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, because during these days, the major trading hubs all across the world are fully swinging into action and they are fully trading. And also on Fridays, everybody is getting ready to close for the week. There are not enough activities, trading activities, happening usually on Fridays compared to what we used to have between Tuesday and Thursday. If you got value from this video, ensure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.